Jeremiah Campbell here, Brickworks Property Restoration. We are at an awesome job site. This is a cool, unique experience when we get to actually showcase our work at the front of an amazing, beautiful, high-end subdivision here in Troy, Michigan. So these monument walls that you see over here, they're the front screen walls that you historically will see on the front of a nicer subdivision. These walls consist of over 1,200 lineal feet. The way that they were constructed is immaculate, beautiful. This top corbelling on top, this is architecturally specced out with the brick manufacturer to give you these corbels. Next to impossible to match. In this case, we've lucked out because there is no bad brick on this project. The main scope of work that we're doing here is repointing and restoration. This is just preventative maintenance, just like at home, just like on your house.